Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will start the development of our web scraper in Streamlit, and we will actually scrape a real world website, and that is Unsplash. So I hope that you know very well about Unsplash. So Unsplash is a free website which provides us thousands of royalty free images, okay, and it's a great website. So here you can find different types of images, and we will scrap this website, and we will scrap images from this website, and we will display those images on our Streamlit web app. And in this tutorial we will basically understand the structure of our targeted website, okay. So it's very important to understand the structure and how our targeted website works before we actually scrap it. So let's start from the URL of this website, and that is unsplash.com. So first of all, we will observe what are the changes which will occur in our this URL whenever we search something. Like for example, if I search for trees, okay, TRWS trees, so what will be the change in our URL? Okay, so let's hit enter and observe it. Okay, so I found a change, and that is this is our domain, okay, so unsplash.com. okay, so then we have this s, then we have this photo. So I think that this photo is basically representing my one of the filter, okay. So yeah, here in the Unsplash we have three filters. One is the photos, okay, other one is the collections, and the other one is the users, okay. So I hope that this photos is basically a representation of our this photos filter, okay. So if I click on collections, and yeah, we are true, so this collection is another filter, but we are concerned with this photo filter, okay. So I will just go back to our photos filter, okay. So this is our photos filter, okay, and this is our actual keyword, okay. So we will also ask user in our application to enter a keyword, and I will replace this part of our URL with our keyword of the user, okay. So let's type here another keyword. Instead of searching a keyword here, let's search a keyword here. Like for example, if I search for plants, okay, so let's write here plants plants, okay, hit enter, and now we have plants images. So I hope that you have understood how this URL of this Unsplash works. And first of all, this is our filter, okay, and this is our keyword. So I will replace this part, okay. So just copy this URL, okay, copy it, and just open a notepad, and let's record these steps, okay. So first of all, we will play with the URL, okay, and here I will replace this thing with our targeted keyword, okay. So I will say keyword, the keyword, okay. So here I will paste my related keyword, okay. And now let's understand the other structure of Unsplash website. So just right click, okay, inspect element, and this will open the HTML and CSS coding of this website. So first of all, let's start from this body, okay. So we have this body, and then if I open it, we have here this division, okay, and then inside this division we have another division, okay, and here we have another. Just come to this, okay. So this is our search photo route, and inside this we have further 1 2 3 4 divisions, okay. So so this is responsible for this part, this is for this is okay. So this is our actual results, okay. And now, okay, so this, so our concern is with this div, okay. So just open this div, okay. Now inside this div we have another division. Just open this one, just open this one, okay. And now here we have another division, okay. So it's a grid. This means that we have some sort of a responsiveness in this website as well, okay. So let's open it, open this div, okay. So here we have two rows, okay. So this division is responsible for our this row, okay, and this division is responsible for our this row, and it's a grid. This means that these classes or these divisions will be responsive, and the number of division inside this division depends on the screen. So for example, if I think that if I increase the size of the window, the number of division inside this division will also increase, okay. So let's see the output. let's increase it in order to get 3 rows. Okay, let's increase it. Okay, okay, so wow, yeah, we got 3 rows. Okay, and now let's check the number of division. Okay, so just open this class and just open this, and yeah, now we have 3 rows. So this is my row 1, this is my row 2, and this is my row 3. Okay, so first of all, we will search for this division with this class name, and this will basically hold our number of rows. Okay, so let me write here, just copy this, sorry, just copy this class name, copy it, and now here I will say that I will search for rows. Okay, I will search for division with this class name. Okay, sorry, not division, with this class name. Okay, and after searching for division with this class name, let's open this division. Okay, so now inside this division we have figures. Okay, so now this figure number 1 is a representation of our this image. Okay, and this figure is a representation of our second image, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I will search inside this division, I will search for this figure tag. Okay, so figure figure tag. Okay, and this figure tag is unique and we doesn't need any kind of a class reference. Okay, so inside this figure, if I open this figure, okay, so now inside this figure we have another division. Okay, so just open this division, and now inside this division we have further 2 divisions. So this division is responsible for the keywords. Okay, but I do not have any concerns with the keywords, so I will open this division. Okay, now inside this division we have another division. Okay, so if I increase the size so that it may be visible to you. Okay, so here, okay, so where we were, okay, so just open this one, sorry, I am repeating the steps, but yeah, okay, so this is our figure, open it, this division, then this division, and now inside this division we have further 2 division. Okay, so this division is responsible for the author name. Okay, while this anchor tag is responsible for the URL of this image on our Unsplash website. Okay, so this is basically the URL of this image. Okay, so if I hover on it, as you can see, http unsplash.com/photos, and then this thing. Okay, so this is our URL, and we will see it in the upcoming tutorials. Okay, and now I need to access the actual image. Okay, so let's open this anchor. Inside this we have another division. Okay, so inside here we have another division, just open it, just open this one, and yeah, here we have our actual image tag. Okay, and what is the yeah, so this is basically the URL of our this image. So I will inside the figures I will search for this image tag. Okay, so figure, I will search for this img tag with the class name. So what is the class name of this image? Okay, so this is the class name, just copy this class name. Okay, and paste it here. So I will search for this image tag with this class name, and inside this image tag with this class name I have a built-in property. Okay, and that is this source set. Okay, so source set is basically responsible for the source of our actual image. Okay, so if I copy this source, okay, so just copy it, and if I paste these things in my search tab, okay, so just paste it, hit enter, and we will get our required image on our display. And yeah, this is our output. Okay, so this image and this image are similar. Okay, and I think that it's good to use this source set, and I think that we should use this long URL. Okay, and we will see it in the actual work, how to convert this long URL into a short one. Okay, so don't worry about this thing, we will see it, but we have extracted our actual URL. I hope that you have understood the structure of this Unsplash website. Okay, so first of all we will use this URL for searching our keyword on Unsplash. Okay, and then we will search for this division with this class name, and inside this we will search for figures, and inside figures we will search for image tag with this class name. Okay, and then inside this we will extract the an attribute of our image tag, and that is the source set. Okay, and with the help of source set, we will get access to our actual image. Okay, and in the next tutorial we will start building our web scraper, and I will see you in that tutorial. Till that point, bye bye.